Giri sir, what is startup?
Very nice, simple question. There are a lot of myths actually, in the sense that startup बात करते रहते हैं, but no one really understands what startup means, right? So general understanding is कि startup का मतलब ये होता है कुछ नया कर रहे हैं तो you're doing something new, so it is called startup. It's an absolutely wrong understanding, and majority is of that. There are generally 6 types of startups. We typically go very much in detail about it in our course. The normal traditional understanding is startup means doing something new is wrong, and it is absolutely, it is a delusion which is created. Why? Because majority of funded unicorns that you see or startups that you see, I would not name it, but they are delivering tomatoes and they're delivering even condoms, you see. Is it something new? Not at all. It's actually a dumb thing, but they are billion-dollar companies. So what needs to be realized is that the real understanding or definition of a startup is just not about doing something new, but how do you do it differently than the existing systems or process that exist right now. So you need to be very clear and understand this very clearly, that, and which is the example that the unicorn, the startup that got the funding, that it is not necessarily that you need to do something different, new altogether. In fact, there are many times when people who are doing something really new and does not exist, they don't get funding. So the question is good. Typically the answer is that the general understanding that startup means doing something new is wrong, and one must understand there are typically 6 types of startups, which is difficult to speak here right now. The important is that a startup generally is recognized the way they actually do and execute things differently. Typically, that is the thing. So yeah, I think it's clear.
Thank you so much.